Rambler. 64 Rambler. As you can see, I've stripped out all the interior. Everything. I got some big old rust holes down there. We put in a battery to see how it would, see if the starter still worked. And yeah, everything inside seems to work. Engine is stuck though, so no startup video. Yeah, we don't know how to remove the back bench there. If anyone knows how, please send me a message. Solid car. Oh, and also, in case you didn't notice, it's a hardtop. Rare. Gas cap was missing. Got some acid back there to kill all the rust. Heater that we're planning on hooking up to it. Heater works fine. And I don't know what the hell that is. Rust was pretty, or we thought the trunk was pretty solid because it had a little floor mat on it. But then we noticed, pulled it up, big rustles, and hey, little piece looks like it's ready to come out. Yeah. Great car. I think I found a picture of it from '92. I might put it in the description. And if it's the correct, it's the same car, then we know it's from Oregon, which doesn't make much of a difference, but who knows? Hang on. Alright, it's got a 287 Rambler V8. The engine, let's see, is stuck. We, upon checking it out, think that this cylinder right here is stuck. We're gonna try to free that up. Again, it's a 287 Rambler V8, the original engine, and upon looking closer, hang on a second, I'm gonna put the camera down. Okay, good enough. Upon looking, we noticed that, I don't know if you can read that, but right across the front it says Holley carburetors. Kind of weird for stock AMC to have a Holley carburetor, but I won't argue with it. Still cool. I don't know if you can see that, but this is 287, kind of faded. Hang on, let me try to, yeah, you might be able to see it. AMC air cleaner. But again, as I said, the engine is stuck. I need to figure out a good way to free it without opening the engine up, because I'm planning on putting it on a 327. We busted the radiator while we were bringing it out. gas pedal rusted out. I can just yank it off right now. In fact, I did. My hope is to put in a 3-speed, but probably not gonna happen. Power steering, Rambler logo. Yeah, 2-door. Ripped out all the interior and wonder what's in the glove box over there. Oh, just so you people believe me that it's a hardtop. Rambler 770. That's right, it is. Clock says 7 o'clock. I don't want to be in here too long. The floor's soft. It means I can fall through. Pretty sound car. Can't wait to get into the garage. Some crackhead took out my speakers. It's great. Good car so far. It's my first car. '93 July. Okay. Yep. This video. Rate, subscribe. Bye.